Hey bro, just 5 minutes a day, one exercise, one incredible product, and you will lose your weight until the summer. Time to join.
Hey! Let's go!
Hi guys, everybody's watching this video right now. My name is llcenergoprom and today is a great time because we're starting our amazing project which call it Elev8ed Power. Everybody can join, doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter your age or profession. All of this is involved here. Everybody can join right now. This is the best time to start to be more elevated. And in this video, bros, you will discover how to lose weight fast, how to get more muscles just by the 5 minutes a day. One exercise, 5 minutes a day, and you will see how your body, your mind, all of your physique will be performed every single day. This is the brilliant, because what we have right now, we have our amazing product which everybody can get, and we have the strategy how to lose weight, how to get more money, how to get more muscles. And we know how to get the result, bros. We know how to get it. And me, I will be exactly that result. And I will show you, bros, what kind of the result you can get. Today is the 28th of the February, and I will do this exercise every single day, 5 minutes a day, till the 28th of March. You will see how my body, my mind, and all of this will gonna to improve. And you will see this in the real time. What you see is what you get. Right now I will show you all that what I will do in the next 30 days. So let's start to do this, bros. This will be the brilliant time to be elevated. So bros, let's show the world that this is our time to be elevated. Let's start to do this. Elev8ed Power, bros.
Yeah. Seige. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal? Why know why that designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again, looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come.
It was going hard, bros, but this is the idea of all the project Elev8ed Power. An idea is not to show you exactly the result which I have already right now. No, it's the idea of that result which I will get by using our great product which call it Elev8. And right now it's 40, yeah, this is the reality. Today is the 28th of the February, and in 1 month you will see how the body will increase, how the quantity and quality will increase of the everything. Bros, it's really incredible. It's really incredible time to join Elev8ed Power because this project and this product is absolutely amazing. Elevate and Elev8ed Power. Time to be your best self ever. Time to train and time to be elevated. We'll see you soon, bros. It was llcenergoprom. I will show you the incredible results which you never ever seen before. And one more thing, bros. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Don't forget to put the like. Don't forget to ask the question in the comments. And for sure, don't forget to be elevated.